Look at this for a second. Same guy, same face, but completely different vibe. That's the power of the right hairstyle. Hollywood actors and top models spend thousands on stylists who literally study their face before touching their hair. But let's be real, you don't have a stylist, and you probably don't want to spend that kind of money either. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to choose the perfect hairstyle for your face, and at the end, I'll share one secret trick that top models use to instantly boost their attractiveness. Stay till the end, and you'll thank me later. So let's start. Step 1. Find your face shape. Take a straight selfie, hair pulled back, no smile. Now imagine drawing straight lines across 4 areas: forehead width, cheekbone width, jawline width, and overall face length. Now compare them. If your face length and width are almost the same, round face; strong jaw, equal width and length, square; slightly longer than wide, oval; long with straight sides, rectangle; wide forehead, narrow chin, heart; sharp cheekbones, narrow forehead and chin, diamond. Most men are oval or square, so don't overthink it. Just pick the closest match and move on. Step 2. Know your hair type. Now this part is important because a good haircut on the wrong hair type looks bad. You have one of these: straight hair, flat, shiny, easy to style; wavy hair, soft S shapes; curly or coily hair, ringlets or tight zigzags. Now check thickness. Take a small section of hair. If you see a lot of scalp, thin hair. If you barely see skin, thick hair. Why this matters: thick, wavy hair equals too great for volume cuts. Thin, straight hair equals too shorter sides plus texture on top. Curly hair equals too tapers and low fades. One warning: if you have curly hair, avoid high fades. They can completely ruin your proportions. Step 3. The secret rule, and this is important. This is the same rule top stylists use. Divide your face into 3 parts: hairline to eyebrows, eyebrows to nose, nose to chin. Attractive faces look good because these 3 sections are balanced. Here's how to fix imbalance: big forehead or receding hairline? Cover it with styles like a French crop. Small forehead? Add height with a pompadour or slick back. Long middle section? Don't hide your forehead. Grow a slightly longer beard. Big lower third? Medium to long hair on top, short or faded beard. Small lower third? Low volume cuts plus a well-shaped beard to define the jaw. This one adjustment alone can instantly improve your face harmony. Step 4. Pick a safe and trendy cut. Now choosing a haircut becomes easy. Oval face, almost anything works. Square face, low fades, side parts, even buzz cuts. Round face, height on top, tight sides. Rectangle face, avoid too much height. Heart and diamond, more volume on the sides. Some trendy cuts that look good on almost everyone. Layer cut, great for straight or wavy hair. Modern mullet, risky but super stylish if done right. The lazy hack, and for this, no thinking required. Go to ChatGPT, upload your photo, and paste this prompt, and it's also given in the description. ChatGPT will analyze your face like a professional stylist and tell you the exact haircut that suits you best. Simple. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.
So it goes this way, goes that way, doesn't just split in the middle. Just by doing that different technique of the razor, it just lets it